Hey there, thrill seekers and water lovers. Ready to make a splash? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to the top 15 water parks around the globe. From heart-pounding slides to lazy rivers and wave pools, these water parks are the best places to cool off and have some fun. So grab your sunscreen and let's dive in. Number 1. Aquashow Park, Portugal. First on our list is Aquashow Park in Corteira, Portugal. This park is a fantastic blend of thrilling rides and relaxing attractions. The standout feature here is the water roller coaster, which combines the excitement of roller coasters with the splashy fun of water slides. Don't miss the huge wave pool and the lazy river for a more laid-back experience. Aquashow Park is perfect for families looking for a bit of everything. Number 2. Aquatica Orlando, USA. Next up, we have Aquatica Orlando in Florida, USA. This water park, owned by SeaWorld, is known for its incredible rides and animal-themed attractions. The highlight here is the Dolphin Plunge, a thrilling slide where you zoom through a tunnel surrounded by a giant dolphin habitat. There's also the lazy river called Cutback Cove and the exhilarating Ewa's Breakaway Falls for those seeking adrenaline. Aquatica is a must-visit for a mix of thrills and aquatic adventures. Number 3. Aquashow Park, Portugal. Aquashow Park is not just a park, it's an adventure. Located in Corteira, Portugal, this water park offers a variety of thrilling attractions, including a water roller coaster and a giant wave pool. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, the lazy river provides a leisurely float. With its diverse range of attractions, Aquashow Park is perfect for both adrenaline junkies and families. Number 4. Xi'an Park, Spain. From Portugal, we traveled to Spain for Xi'an Park in Tenerife. Known for its Thai-themed design and stunning architecture, Xi'an Park is one of the largest and most exciting water parks in Europe. The park boasts the Tower of Power, a vertical slide that sends you through an aquarium filled with sharks and rays. And let's not forget the enormous Wave Palace, where you can ride the largest artificial waves in the world. Xi'an Park is a must-see for thrill seekers and those who appreciate beautiful design. Number 5. Blizzard Beach, USA. Back in the USA, Disney's Blizzard Beach in Orlando is up next. This water park is themed around a melted ski resort, creating a unique atmosphere with snow-covered structures and icy-themed attractions. Don't miss Summit Plummet, one of the world's tallest and fastest free-fall slides. The park also features a family-friendly area with a wave pool and a lazy river. Blizzard Beach combines Disney magic with thrilling water fun. Number 6. Aquaventure, Dubai. In the heart of the desert, we find Aquaventure at Atlantis the Palm in Dubai. Known for its luxury and grandeur, Aquaventure offers a unique blend of exhilarating slides and serene beaches. The park's highlight is the Leap of Faith, a near-vertical slide that plunges through a shark-filled lagoon. For a more relaxed experience, the private beaches and lazy river provide a perfect escape. Aquaventure is a must-visit for a touch of opulence and adventure. Number 7. Aquapark Istralandia, Croatia. Our next stop is Aquapark Istralandia in Bratislava, Croatia. This park is renowned for its vibrant design and exciting attractions. With over 20 water slides, a wave pool, and a lazy river, Istralandia offers something for everyone. The park's layout includes areas specifically designed for families with young children, making it a great choice for a family vacation. Don't miss the Black Hole slide for an exhilarating experience. Number 8. Aquapark Tatralandia, Slovakia. In Slovakia, Aquapark Tatralandia offers a unique combination of indoor and outdoor water fun. This park is set against the backdrop of the Low Tatras and features a variety of attractions, including thrilling slides, wave pools, and thermal baths. The tropical paradise area is perfect for those looking to relax, while the adrenaline-pumping slides provide excitement for thrill seekers. Aquapark Tatralandia is a fantastic choice for both relaxation and adventure. Number 9. Aquapark Aqua Magic, Bulgaria. Next, we head to Bulgaria to explore Aquapark Aqua Magic in Varna. This park is known for its colorful slides and family-friendly atmosphere. The park offers a range of attractions including thrilling slides, a lazy river, and a large wave pool. Aqua Magic is a great destination for families and those looking to enjoy a fun-filled day in the water. Number 10. Aquapark Aquaxão, Portugal. Back to Portugal, Aquapark Aquaxão in Corteira is another fantastic water park worth visiting. Known for its diverse range of attractions, Aquaxão Park features exciting slides, a large wave pool, and a relaxing lazy river. The park also offers family-friendly areas and a variety of dining options. With something for everyone, Aquaxão Park is a great choice for a fun day out. Number 11. Aquapark Aquaplanet, China. In China, Aquapark Aquaplanet in Chengdu offers a modern and exciting water park experience. The park features a variety of thrilling slides, wave pools, and themed areas. Highlights include the Aqua Tornado Slide and the large wave pool, which provides plenty of fun for visitors. Aquaplanet is a great destination for those looking to experience the latest in water park design and attractions. Number 12. Aquapark Aquaxão Park, Portugal. Aquapark Aquaxão Park in Corteira, Portugal, is a must-visit for water park enthusiasts. The park offers a wide range of attractions including a thrilling water roller coaster, a large wave pool, and a relaxing lazy river. With something for everyone, Aquaxão Park is perfect for a fun-filled day with family and friends. Number 13. Aquapark Aquadome, Austria. In Austria, Aquapark Aquadome in Langenfeld offers a unique blend of thermal relaxation and water fun. This park is known for its stunning alpine setting and its extensive thermal baths. Visitors can enjoy a range of slides, including the high-speed tower slide, or relax in the thermal pools with breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Aquadome is perfect for those looking to combine relaxation with adventure. Number 14. Aquapark Les Pays du Fou, France. In France, Aquapark Les Pays du Fou in Les Épices offers a unique water park experience with a historical twist. The park features themed slides, a large wave pool, and family-friendly attractions. The immersive design and historical themes make it a fascinating place to explore. Aquapark Les Pays du Fou is a great destination for those looking to combine history with water fun. Number 15. Aquapark Aquatic Center, Dubai. In Dubai, the Aquapark Aquatic Center at Atlantis, the Palm offers a luxurious water park experience. Known for its high-end amenities and thrilling rides, the park features the Leap of Faith slide, a vertical plunge through a shark-filled lagoon. Visitors can also enjoy private beaches, lazy rivers, and a range of dining options. Aquapark Aquatic Center is perfect for those looking to experience luxury and excitement. And that wraps up our tour of the top 15 water parks around the world. Whether you're seeking thrilling slides, relaxing lazy rivers, or just a fun day in the sun, these water parks have it all. From the luxury of Dubai's Aquaventure to the thrills of Orlando's Aquatica, there's something for every water enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.